Starting off there. Ceramics Plus. Hi, Pooh. We're just gonna do a soup bowl. Hi, Pooh. You ready? Brushes.
Inside, you just start with your.
I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out, but
Okay.
still working on it. Coming along. Still got more
I
to
finished the
do.
chart this morning though, so I got it.
Let me see, India. Oh, that is nice. You're doing a good job, India. Let me see. Oh, nice detail. That's really nice. Oh, the ceramics. That's ceramics, right, Pooh? It's got sprayed. I chose a dad mug. It's nice and shiny. That is the #1 dad. Made by me. India, you did a really good job with your soup bowl. This was really nice.